Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is for entertainment purposes. I do not provide financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And the reason I created this channel is to track my investment moves and share it to the public. Um, just to see, if you guys get entertained with this, um, could be, and I also want to see if it actually it's possible to become rich off of this or be 1000% broke, right? I know it's 100% broke, but you know, be like broke. Hopefully, we don't. I don't get to that situation, and I make money off of this adventure, adventure that I'm trying to do. So, a little background by myself. I am a desktop support specialist. I also am certified as a backend and front end um, developer, and I also have implementation of blockchain for business. Certification on that and fundamentals of blockchain. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain can be any system that shares data on a peer-to-peer network, plays with a consensus algorithm. Uh, with a consensus algorithm placed in a public layer. Um, so that is a blockchain. Anybody that tells you something else, um, don't really, you know, don't really listen to them. Honestly, a blockchain is that. It's just a peer-to-peer. It's any system that shares that data on a peer-to-peer network. Um, placed in a public layer with a consensus algorithm. You can say it that way. Um, there is many type of blockchain. We have private blockchain, governance blockchain, public blockchain, many others. But this channel is just for my investment purposes and entertainment for you guys to see if I make it or I don't make it. So as you can see right now, I am in crypto. So, in the website is CoinMarketCap. This market cap was private, then they sold it to somebody else. So, the first thing that I say here is the market cap value, right? The amount. This is what the whole entire um, um, crypto market is. This is the value, but personally, I believe that that value is inaccurate because there is there are coins in there are projects in here that doesn't have any volume and they carry uh, um, a value that is not real. I don't believe that's the accurate value of their project. um, we can go all the way down, which is gonna take you just gotta go all the way down and you will see some of those coins and there are some of those projects in there. Another one that I kind of don't and I do not understand is somebody down the comment can explain why wrap Bitcoin um, price is equivalent to the original Bitcoin. To me, that doesn't make any sense. Um, the uh, promotion, the promotion that Bitcoin have, Bitcoin is being pushed by all type of people, financial companies to retail investors, um, um, uh, uh, people, influencers, and business owners like Elon, Elon Musk, and many. The campaign is huge for this guy right here and for this one too. So for me to see this project WBTC at the same price of the original Bitcoin, um, I don't understand. I cannot wrap my mind why you have this price. But I'm not here to talk bad about companies. I'm here to invest in projects and companies. So I am focused only into four, um, five projects, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dutch. This Dutch, not Dogecoin, Dutch. Why? Because these currencies has been well. Besides Ethereum, Ethereum is not a currency, but Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dutch, uh, those are currencies, and Bitcoin Cash, those are currencies. So, and has been proven. The back in 2016, the value of this was $11. Talking about Dash, $11. In 2014, it was 82 cents. So why I am investing in this company? Because this is I'm just gonna show basic because that's all I know right now. So I'm just gonna show you the basics of this. So we had a major bull run from January 7, 2017, all the way up to all the way up to see how it goes, way over $1,200. Um, so after this major move, the bottom it took a half a year to bottom out, and the bottom is between I can say the bottom is $41. That's the bottom of this crypto. And even during COVID, it went up, but then it bottomed out here at 42 dollars, and it stays there. It stays between $41 to $42. That's the bottom. I think the if it goes lower than $42 is because a recession, and that's gonna be like 35. I don't think it's gonna go lower than that. If I see a $30 there, is 100% buy. Right now, it's a 100% buy, so it stays a 100% buy at $30. Why I'm saying that? Because this coin is not going anywhere. This cryptocurrency, for the time being, is not going anywhere. So buying the, I don't need to be um, a professional investor to know that a 40 between 40 I see a 39 here, but between 41 dollars to $41 to $125, this thing is still a buy, you know and and it have done since from 2018 to 2020. That's 1 year. Um, let's see. That's for the sake of this argument, it's like around 2 years. This thing gives 1x return on investment or a little bit more, right? Because I am counting at 25. Let's say somebody bought at 25, even if the person purchased the stock at, sorry, the crypto at $266, he gets the opportunity to have $354. So um, okay, so why I am saying this, why I am so bullish in crypto and in Dashcoin, right? Because it has been proven, like I say, it has been proven it's not going anywhere. It's not gonna go lower. We're not gonna see um, values of $20 per share, neither $12 per share, neither $10 per share. If somebody's trying to, I don't know if you can short crypto, but if you trying to short crypto at this crypto at $10 per share, you are ridiculous. You're not gonna get that price. There is no way you get that price because the minute that's it's not gonna go there. Yeah, you can probably short these 35 dollars if recession is calling, everybody gets afraid and starts selling out every single asset, every single digital asset. This gonna get hit, and I can see a retrace to $35, $30 a coin. But I don't see these. Me personally, I don't see this back to $10, neither $8. There is no way, you know. So that's the reason why. And even though gets to $10, it's not going anywhere. The next run is gonna double its price, triple its price, or just pump all the way to $150. So, but I'm not saying on a major run like we have on 2017. I'm saying it's gonna go periodically let's say that everything, a lot of people are calling 2025 as the year of recovery. Also there is elections at that time as well, I think. So there's a lot of activities in 2025. The Green New Deal, I think California is putting a lot of restrictions to gasoline cars. So there is a lot going on by that time. There are a lot of expectations to be um, uh, uh, they complete. They have a lot of projects they want to complete by 2025. A lot of expectations to be met. So I'm thinking that we. I'm not expecting Dashcoin. I don't know if I can minimize my screen right here. Okay, I'm not expecting Dashcoin to do this run like this. If it happens, okay, it's amazing. But I'm not expecting them to do that. I'm expecting them to do this right here, the same thing 2021. It's gonna go little by little and then take off. And the selling pressures are 120, 127. That's one that I'm expecting. I'll sell out at 127. Um, you know, this two right here will be for me to focus on. But even if you buy right now, um, how 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 much is that? Uh, let's see. Let's say that let's say that I buy $45, right? But right now it's not a $45. Yeah, it is. So let's say that I buy a $45, and it gets to to 177. That's 3x. That's around 3 to 4x return on my money. You know, that's 3 to 4x. That's 3x. Because I'm counting the initial investment per coin. So that's 3x return on my money. I'm happy. And the same thing goes over here. The selling pressures for this coin are here and here. If when this coin breaks this selling pressure and it holds above that 100, above the 170 dollars per share, and it holds at 214, that means that we're gonna rip. That means that we're going higher. We're going even higher. We're going even higher. And the other selling pressure, when he holds um, um, the position in the 200, the other selling pressure is telling me right here, this is the other selling pressure. Because look, this is the other selling pressure right here. I'm going too high, but it's in the 200s. This is the other selling pressure. And it's showing right here in 2021. And this is basic, I see it and it's basic, but what's the what's the investment technique for me when it comes to Dashcoin? Patience. That's all it is. Dollar across average. Right nowadays at the bottom, and then be patient. Pretty much it. It's not rocket science, you know. Now, if I were to be a day trader, that's something different. But because I'm not day trading, I don't need that much. Um, 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 you know, I already know that this project is proven. That it's gonna last. It's gonna stay here for a long time. I don't need to worry about it. And I'm pretty sure this run right here was because of Venezuela adopting this, adopting this when they were having issues with their currencies, adopting Dashcoin as a form of payment. And it is active in many countries. This thing is being used as a form of payment. So for Dashcoin, that's the reasons I am investing in Dashcoin. Honestly, the other one, the other cryptocurrency that I like is Litecoin, and it's the same thing when it comes to Litecoin and Dash. It's the same thing. Look, um, different charts, but it's the same idea, the same technique. I'm gonna do the same technique. Patience. Um, at the beginning, $3, 2017. That was when Bitcoin went all the way up to $25, I think. So it goes the same way. Look, in the bottom of these, we're not going. Um, even if we get a recession in 2023, and everybody panics and sell, we're not seeing this $4 per coin. There's no way. It's not gonna happen. So if it is possible to be shorted, I mean, you're trying to short this to $4. I mean, good luck to you. But it's not. I don't think this is gonna happen. It's proven that he's been holding his position at $30, $23. And then it goes all the way up. If I don't think these prices right here, $20, $23, $29, last forever. I think these ones are just flashes. I hope you understand that. They're just very, very temporary, you know, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people, when they see those prices, they just scoop this up, just a buy for sure, for sure. They know that there is money for sure. So they never, and this is the bottom. 2018, major sellout in cryptocurrencies is showing the same thing that happens to to Dodge is showing Litecoin is doing the same thing. It's telling me, hey, I mean, we had a lot of consolidate, a lot of people sold and took profits, you know, right here from 17 to 2018, and you bottom out $23, and then it took off again. It took off, and it took almost a year to go up. You know, it took almost a year to go back up. So these ones are, if I'm like I said, not day trading. These ones are just patience. So that's why I'm buying it. And the bottom for these is $23. Like I say, the average price, um, of this coin, the average price is 40 40 to $50. That's the average price of these crypto. So for me, buying Litecoin is no brainer. So I don't have issues paying 54 dollars, even if we hit a recession, and I see prices of 35, $36. I still gonna buy it. 23 dollars, that's a buy for sure, for sure. Because those prices are not gonna last, and it's just major discounts right now. you know and so for me, that's for sure. And um, it likely is not going anywhere. People who There is always going to be negative comments and positive comments about a project, and this crypto has been here forever, and it have taken major um, 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 mm, major events of um, on the crypto market, which is um, um, first bull run, where a lot of people took notice of cryptocurrency in 2017, and then the sellout period, the profit taking period, and then it took off again. Then 2019, right here, 2020, COVID. And I believe COVID started in 2019. I am one of those persons that believe that COVID-19 started early on. COVID-19 started early, and we, the general public, find out later. But I'm pretty sure people that have money and they have influence and power knew about this earlier. You know, I'm not comparisons. I'm not. I am not. I'm not saying that. Um, I'm against, you know, uh, um, um, that I don't like people that have power and money. I'm not saying not at that. I'm just saying that um, a lot of them knew. So and and I believe that COVID did not started in 2020, and started early on 2019. So here's the major consolidation, major sellout, and then the rebound, 2019 rebound. Then COVID confirmation, and still hold his position. And at that time, a lot of people were taking money out of the banks, and he hold his position. He hold his position at $33, you see, and he took off. It took off to higher highs, than previously, than their last major bull run, and he went periodically. So this is a long term, another long term investment, uh, and now it's holding its own, and it looks like there is a recovery, but they're gonna be tested at $80, $70 per coin. That's when this is gonna be tested. If it breaks through that $70, $80 per coin, we see newer highs. That's when people who the ball over here will be doubling their profits and decide if they're taking, or they staying, or they leaving, right? Um, so yeah, so pretty much that. I feel like I'm repeating myself. Pretty much that. So the bottom for this is 2023. If you find this coin at 23, congratulations to you, because the price, those price, 23 to 30, those prices don't do not stay forever. It just temporary, very temporary. Maybe a day or two, and that's it. So over here, it does the same thing. It does the same thing, 34. Um, but this is what this is what matters. You know, um, this is what matters right here. If we hold this position above 70, we see newer highs, and eventually newer highs will come up. Like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. I'm just showing you guys how I gonna invest, because that's the entertainment part. Is for you guys to see how I think to make money in this. And if I make it, I make it. I don't, I lose the money I put in. And do not follow my trades, because I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a professional. The other one that I am interested is in Bitcoin Cash. I have a lot of interest in Bitcoin Cash. Um, so this guy right here, this project is a hard fork from the original Bitcoin, and I think it started because of Bitcoin and ability to process payments and keep a flat rate. I think this flat rate start after the Lightning Network came up. So I'm not here to break down how the Lightning Network works. Um, that is something that if you're interested to learn how the Lightning Network operates, you should focus on that. But over here, when it comes to cryptocurrency investing, you should look for professionals, and this is just for entertainment purposes, and I'm showing my investment idea. That's all it is. So the same thing goes for this cryptocurrency, um, Bitcoin Cash. Same thing, long term uh, uh, investment to double or triple or 8 times my money, because I'm very bullish and I think it's possible. This thing has proved that is this project right here, this cryptocurrency right here has proved that you have the ability to do 8 times, 9 times, even 10 times initial investment, which means 1100, right? If you buy a 100, 100 change, so if it goes 1100 change, that's 10 times the money. Because I'm excluding the initial investment of the 100 and change. So over here, it does the same thing, major bull run, and same consolidation to 2018. The same thing that Bitcoin Cash show me is showing me right now is the same thing that I've seen with Litecoin and Dash. As you can see, the same thing, major run, consolidation, boom. And the bottom for this is, so far I see, is $81, maybe 79 if you are able to find it there. Good luck to you. Congratulations if you get it at 79. But I do not see this going below the $79 in a recession. What is the current price? Yeah, in a recession, if this thing hit a recession, we could see that 70, $90 per share, right away. But the 79, $90 per share right away. But That is if everybody panics and starts selling. A lot of people start panicking, start selling. I see the bottom at 79. Um, and it's a great buy at 79. It's a great buy, no questions asked. That's for money for sure, you know. And 79, 70, 80, because I don't know if actually it's gonna get to 79 and then bounce back up. I'm not sure if it's going to do that. It might or might not. It might go lower, right? But if it goes lower, that's for me, it's telling me like how much stress, you know, you can take. We'll see in your initial investment disappear. And would you hold your position, or would you sell on a loss? And I don't like to sell on a loss. I don't think anyone likes to sell on a loss. So here it is, $90, um, 70, 79, $90, $80. But the average price of this coin is, hmm, where? Yeah, so the average price of this coin is in the 200, right? 200, 230, um, 200, 240, um, 250, right? That's the average price. This is what it's telling me from 2019, 2022. And that's how I think I found the average price of something, and of digital asset, stock, or crypto. I see how many times the price has stayed, how many times stayed at the same price for a period of time. I know 2019 it was the COVID, 2020, 2019 was COVID, but it started, like I said, 2019, I believe they started early. And here's the consolidation, the selling out. A lot of people in people who bought in 2019, 2018, the ones who bought at 2018, they did make some money. Um, uh, so it could be that those people were the ones who sold, right? Um, and some people who bought in 2019, like in the fifth, 2019 May 2019 right here. I think they didn't make any money. They had to sell up here, you know. And it didn't last that long too. It just last a few days. So if you hold, and then you sold at the bottom, you didn't make as much money. So that's the average price. And in this price right here, why do we see this price over here? I think this is for the fear of recession. That's what it is. We have the war in Russia with Ukraine. Then the European Union having issues with economy issues and resources issues, and then rumor of war between China and Taiwan, and then financial crisis here in the United States, all related to massive inflation. Um, and I think that's why we have these type of prices in here that are not going to last forever. You, move forward in a month. Look how quickly it recovered, and it didn't even. This is quick. We were at 100, and the minute the sentiment turned out positive, you can see that it just took off. It took off, and then when oh, We when the professionals came out and start saying no, 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 we're still in financial crisis and da, 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 we might get into a recession, you know, boom, came down. So how quickly it recovered, how quickly it went down. But that doesn't mean anything. It still says a strong buy. I still think this is a strong buy and a great opportunity for people with low income to, for people like me, that doesn't have much to buy this and do dollar cross average. As long as stay of these prices is still a buy, even if it goes to 200, $300, still a buy. um, um, because in a positive sentiment, this thing takes off. And the selling pressures for this is in the 400, 480. That's that's selling pressure, and it happens in here as well. Look, stays in the 200, takes off above 400, and goes down to 300. So these are major selling pressures between 400 to 800. People sell, even though that I'm putting a lot. But over here, it kind of filtered everything out. So if you with this means from 2017, if I dismiss from 2017 to 2018, and then I look where the selling pressure is for Litecoin, for Bitcoin Cash. I'm sorry, I'm still thinking about Litecoin. For Bitcoin Cash is in the 400, between 400 to $500. That's what I would say. 400 to $500. That's the selling pressure. Okay, so the average price is in the 200s and the selling pressure is in the 400s. But that doesn't mean anything because when it takes off and it keeps its position at 200 to above $200 and stays in the 300 to 400, it goes back up and it represents right here. You see, it was in the 200s. I cannot get it. I don't know why it is. Yeah, it was in the 200, and then it takes off and then holds its position between 300 and 400. That means they're still on a bull run. This is just people taking profits, but it's still in a bull run, and it's going back up for sure. If it holds its position, it goes back up. It shows here they did not hold his position. You see how it just went all the way down to 200 and tried to recover, but still in major selling. A lot of people are selling. Some people, probably sentiment. Some people didn't make as much money, so they were just trying to get a couple of dollars in here. Um, and then another major run tried to break out, tried to create a positive momentum, but I was stopped in the 400s. They went back down. See, we went back down. It didn't. That this is not support. There is no support in here. Support is sideways. When it stays sideways, how it did right here, stay sideways. Over here too, you see how he went all the way down and then bounced back and stayed sideways for a little bit. Exactly. So this is what I like to see. Um, so over here, I can see. Like I say, I'm not a professional. Um, um, I'm not professional. I'm not professional trader. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes. You can maybe you are entertained, maybe you're not. But am I gonna continue? So for me, um, this is the major sellout due to the fact of these two indications in here. But when he keeps the support stays above this price There's positive sentiment for investors, and it means that we are going to keep going. You know, we are going to keep going. Yeah. So when it breaks down this way, we are going to keep going, and that means that is in a bull run. This is moving. This is in a bull run. So for me, oh, $114 is no question. You know, I buy these. I buy these from honestly from 170 all the way down to $73. It's a buy. Because in 1 year or so, I will be getting 1x to 3x return on my investment based on the past of the history of this asset that tends to do this. So I don't have no questions about this investment technique. And I think it's gonna work. It's just patience. You gotta have patience. So the other one is Bitcoin. The other one is Bitcoin. This one, um, this is it. This one is what it is. Honestly, it's weird that it doesn't have no reds, but I can I will have to mark the reds, right? So 3,000, I can say that 3,000 is red for Bitcoin. Why? Because I'm not counting this part. I'm not counting 20. They want to mark red up. $130. That's insane. To me, that's insane. I do not believe the Bitcoin will ever go back to $130. So when I see this and then they say, "Oh, look, all of this is bull. All of this is bull," and now, no, 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 no. This shouldn't even be marked. This should be. It's not gonna happen. If Bitcoin goes back to $130, is gonna be eaten alive by financial advisors, by all of those professionals. They're gonna eat this project alive, and it's never gonna recover from this. They will have to create Bitcoin 2.0 like Terra did or something, because it's not gonna survive. Like, look at this. Look how high it went, and then it goes all the way to $130. All sentiment from every single investor that has gotten early since these prices over here. Everybody gonna be out, everyone, because if I believe that it feels different. It just feels different when you bought at this price 130, and then you see it go to 400, 500, 13,000, and then it takes off all the way to 61,000, and you see all that money in your account, right? And then you say, no, I am a Bitcoin bull, I will never sell my coins. And suddenly it drops all the way back down to 130. It feels different. It hurts. It hurts. It's definitely hurts. I'm not. I don't know. You gotta have balls of steel, like, to not feel the pain. Because everybody will feel the pain. I will feel the pain. I mean, I'm honest and humble enough to say I will never. I will never look. I will never look. I will never look Bitcoin the same way. You know, will never look the same way for Bitcoin. Um, Bitcoin. Uh, oh, I think this is my wife. Yeah, it's my wife. So, Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. So, Bitcoin. 130. No way. So, I'm gonna create a new bottom for Bitcoin. And I think the new bottom for Bitcoin will be for myself. Like I say, I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. I'm not a professional trader. I don't consider myself a professional trader. This is only for entertainment purposes, and that's pretty much it. I'm a small retail investor trying to make some money, and like everybody else. I'm not different. So I will create a new bottom for Bitcoin, and I think I can. We can all say that the bottom for Bitcoin is $3,000. But wait, $3,000. $3,000 from 61. Let me see. I think this thing went to 70. It went to 70. It looks like it went to 70. For sake of this argument, I'm gonna say 68. I would say 68, 67, 68. Let's do 68. 68 up to $3,000. It makes sense. If we look at the other three currencies, three cryptocurrencies that I show you, which is Dash, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, they all of them had a major run. From besides Litecoin, but even though Litecoin, because Litecoin was at 23, right? So yeah, all of them had a major run from Dash going all the way up to 1400, and now sitting at 54 46 $47. Then Litecoin going all the way up to 400, and now sitting at 53. I think that one is the more conservative, more chill. Bitcoin Cash going to $4,000, and then it went all the way down to 70, 79. I can definitely say that the volatility is in the cryptocurrency market, and I'm expecting that. So $3,000 makes sense to me. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but it does make sense to me. And so that's the bottom. If you get it at $3,000, congratulations to you. Um, 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 Congratulations to you. But for now, the average price of the all-time high, the average price of Bitcoin, um, uh, Jesus. I mean, I think it created a new one. So far, how it's looking is that it bounced right back out of the 18, 19,000, and it's keeping its position at 19,000. So we will see how everything goes. I think the bottom could be 11,000 in a recession, or sorry, it can bounce. No bottom, it can bounce back. I believe it could bounce back at 11,000, or the worst the can see is at $3,000. Right now it's been keeping its position at 20. I know a lot of people who love Bitcoin will kill me for that, but well, not me, but kill my YouTube channel and try to take me down. But I don't I don't think I am a big of a threat. I don't think I am an issue for them. I think I invest in Bitcoin like they do. So I'm just trying to create some expectations for myself. Um, so for Bitcoin, I can say that 11,000 is reasonable, but is pricing everybody at 19 to 20,000, and which these are the um, um, last bull run. 20,000. 20,000 is the last bull run. So yeah, it marks right at $20,000, 20.5. So yeah, it's unbelievable that not too long ago. How many years is that? Um, like 4 years, right? So it's crazy, man, and it's like bye bye, 3,000. You're never gonna see me there again. You know, you know. You want to get in at 19. That's how it's looking right now. That's how it's looking because kids bouncing back up. Look, kid bouncing. It's not. It doesn't want to go lower. It's a strong bulls right here. They're very strong. Now, if they go down, 11,000 is next. I think. Um. Um. But this is amazing. So, kind of see why they put it right here, like in the bearish. It turns bearish at 90, 100. But I don't think. I still think this is ridiculous. I mean, they shouldn't even. Come on, man. I'm not gonna see Bitcoin at $90. Like, come on, are you serious? Can somebody please put in the comments and tell me why they have this here? Like, why? Like, what's the purpose of this? Honestly, I don't know. I would love to learn. But 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 for me, I think bearish is at 3,000, and bearish is at 3,000. That's what I think it is. Above 3,000 is bullish. So yep, 19,000 is bullish. Um, but if I buy again, and if I buy a 19,000, I buy again 19,000. I don't know, man. I think this is pain right here. From 19 to 11 is pain. But in the long term, I don't think that doesn't affect anybody. Now, if let's say that for sake of this argument, it never go back to 11. So if it never goes back to 11, you know, just went to 68, right? If it never goes back to 11, oh my God, that's 19x. That's 19x. Well, let's say like around 18x. Wow. Mm, 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 mm. Hallelujah. 18 times. That's 18 times. If you bought right here, you get 18 times. Oh, congratulations to you. That's amazing. That's money right there. So, based on what he had done, look, boom, boom. He marched 18, but he went to 25, right? He went to 20.5. But he marched 18, 19 from 1,000. So, look, man. Oof, ay, ay, ay. This is good. If all this position, and it could do another 18 times, so 19,000 times 18, dear Lord, $342,000 per coin. That's what these guys would. If you hold a if you hold in one Bitcoin, I'm not saying I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice, but imagine seeing that again because it happens once, right? It happened twice. Uh huh. So if you bought right here, you had the opportunity to get it, to get the, to get more. You know, you took this pain, and then you went back up because I know that corporations are buying this crypto, like corporations, like big companies, and they holding. I know one called Fun. They own, they own Bitcoin. I mean, who knows? Who knows who else? Just put in a comment how many corporations, how many uh, 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 companies own Bitcoin. Just put right there in the comment. Jesus. Ooh la la. Dios. But look at this, man. You just gotta look at this. This crazy. So if he holds this position, he keeps this value like it's like he did in 2019 right here. It's not trading sideways. That's the thing. You see how over here it just went like, nah, man, I'm not going below that. I'm not going below 3,000. I'm going to stay at 3,000. Over here, it's trying to do the same thing. That's how it looks like. It's trying to do the same thing, but still, this is big money. This is where the big boys are playing right here. Big money. Even if it goes to 11, even if it goes to 11, right? Let's say it goes to 11, and then you buy at 11, right? Or I buy at 11. Let's say this happens, right? Um, I mean, I'm I'm not giving you financial advice, but if you're looking for Bitcoin, uh, pretty much I think that you might be interested in buying Bitcoin like I am. So if this thing goes to 11, if this Bitcoin goes to 11,000, and then it does 18 times its current value, right? Sheesh. That's $198,000, bro. Like, wow. I'm telling you, this is where the big boys are playing. Like, this is big money right here. This is not. This is not Litecoin. This is not Dash. This is not Bitcoin Cash. This is big money. This is big money right here. Big boys game right here. Whoa, this is the I don't know, if somebody play poker can tell me, but this is the highest table you can get yourself into right here. It's money in the cryptocurrency market. It's money right here. So, oh, because these prices over here, there's just no way. This is the only thing on red. So this merge, there is no way. There's no way Bitcoin goes there. Come on, man. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. Gotta, in order to go there, you have to be like the every single nation in the world goes against Bitcoin, and then they start hammering Bitcoin down. Every person who owns Bitcoin, start getting high taxes and shit over there. But man, there is no way this thing is gonna go to this price. 130, 119 bearish. Come on, man. 3,000 is bearish. 3,000 over here. It's down. But 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 I don't know, man. I don't know if we're gonna see those $3,000. Sheesh! Look at this. What can you look at this, man? This just look. Okay. I'm talking about Bitcoin too much. But yeah, so pretty much it. That's those are the crypto assets that I have interest on, and I've been buying not for the short term. I'm not a day trader. Don't consider myself a day trader. I think you have to, gotta know. You have to be a professional. Or you gotta know a lot to day trade. Take a lot of risks. Just go by the second or by the minute. By the hour. It takes a lot from you because in an hour this thing can go lower, can go higher. And it's just look at this, man. Look, this is what you've been doing. You gotta know your stuff to make this money right here. For example, 19 to 20. You gotta know what is happening here. You just gotta know. Maybe you're saying, okay, I'm buying a 19 because it's just been trading between 1920. It's been doing these for the past 5 6 hours. For the past 3 days, it's just been going up and down. So you buy a 19, then you wait 3 days, I guess. But no, because if you want to make money every hour, you have to be there checking, having algorithm or bot that's just gonna do a job for you. Just spectacularly. Uh, but yeah. Now let's see if I can find more something interesting here to invest. Um, Monero. Monero is another old coin. Thing in, interested in interesting. This is very cool. You know, Monero been holding its position. I think this is a privacy coin. So Monero has been holding its position, man. And I saw Monero back. Honestly, I saw it right here at $49. I never purchased. I never went and bought some. But Monero is another one, man. Monero is another one. Same thing. Same thing that happened in 2017. You can see it with Dash. You can see it with Litecoin. You can see it with Bitcoin. You can see it with um, I said Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and also you can see it right here with Monero. Same thing with Monero. Same, sell out. When people selling, making money, and then pretty much it, man. This is the bottom, but since interesting because since 2019, you haven't seen $30, $40 again. It just been up. So Monero is another one to see. It might go higher after this. Probably might go higher after this. We hit a recession. I don't know how it's gonna perform, but it looks like it's gonna lose its value. Probably what the price is right now? 130, 152. Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This thing is there. Like Monero is there. Monero is like, yo, I'm ready to go. It's bullish. This thing is bullish. Monero is bullish right now. Monero is saying, yo, I'm ready to go. Let me go. So let's say we hit a recession and this thing bounced back from, it bounced back from it stays in the hundreds. It just goes to 100 or, or yeah, it stays in 100, just holds position, doesn't go back to 38, stays in the. Oh yeah, stays in the $70 to $80 a share. I don't know. Right now it's been taking a lot of pain, so it will have to stay in the $90 to $100 per coin. If it stays in the $90 to $100 per coin, this thing is ready to go. I'm out. I'm out of here. That's the thing. That's something that I will put this one in the watch list because because can I put a star on this? Oh, I will have to create an account. Um, with this one, yeah, I think it makes sense. It makes sense right now to just not to rush into it and buy like a crazy, like a hungry dog for food, but just be patient with it. Dollar cost average, just be patient with it. I think it worth the money for me. It worth the money for me because it's in a bull run. And if people panic and sell out, I might see this coin to the on the today's day. Yeah, yeah. I might see these coins. I might see this coin. Let me see the 3 months. Yeah, right here, 100. Yeah, I will see it in the 100 or $90, and that's still a bull run for me. So, pretty much had this on my investment um, ideas, and yeah, man, I'm all for it. So if you entertain, do put a just click like and share this with your friends and family, man. Um, that's pretty much it. So have a good night, and I will talk to you guys sometime this week. We'll have another video. Good night, everyone.